How to fix KB5058481 fails to install in Windows 10. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Free up disk space. A full drive can prevent the update from unpacking, and clearing unnecessary files makes room for the installation to finish. Fix 2. Run troubleshooters. Hidden issues in the update system can cause failures, and this tool scans and fixes them to enable a smooth installation. If that didn't work, fix 3. Check the services. Certain services must be running for Windows Update to function effectively. Setting these services to automatic can help with installation problems. Locate the background intelligent transfer service, cryptographic service, and Windows Update service by scrolling through the list of services. Right-click on each service, and from the context menu, select Restart. In case a service is not running, double-click on it and select Automatic under the Startup type. Afterward, click on Start and then click OK. Corrupted system files may be the cause of unsuccessful Windows Update installations. You can address this by using certain commands in an elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 5. Reset Windows Update components. Stopping the Windows Update services, deleting the update cache, and resuming the services are all steps in the process of resetting Windows Update components. This may resolve problems with corrupt update files or setups. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, temporarily disable Windows Firewall.